Hello everyone, konnichiwa again. In this video we will learn wa, o, na. So our first alphabet is wa. 1, 2 and 3. Our next alphabet is wo. Or o. In combined, alphabet is written same as this: 1, 2 and 3. Our next alphabet There's always some difference in the writing type, so wo can be written like this: 1, 2 and 3. Little bit different, but no change in the pronunciation. Now let's start with a word formation. First word is WaTaShi. Wa, ta, shi, which means me. Next word is hen, which means strange. So our next word, let's say orange. तो orange को हम लिखेंगे मी का न, from orange. It's a fruit. So our next word, let's see, cute. So how will I write cute? Ka, wa, e. So this is for all now. Thank you for watching.